raccoon, panda, monkey, elephant, hedgehog, fox, giraffe, turtle, yum yum,
The hare and the tortoise. The hare was once boasting of his speed before the other animals.
I have never been beaten.
He said,
where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? Where is the hedgehog? Where is the hedgehog? Where is the hedgehog? Where is the raccoon? It isn't any trouble just to answer mightily. It isn't any trouble just to... I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
follow me, follow me. Hands up, follow me, follow. Smiling girls, rosy boys, coming by, my little toys. The two roosters and the eagle. The lion and the mouse. When a lion was asleep, a little mouse began running up and down beside him.
The
fawn and his father. Welcome to Dick.cn. I'm Galena, and today we'll learn a new article, The Fawn and His Father. A young fawn once said to his...
A wolf had been badly wounded by dogs. He lay sick and maimed in his lair.
The lion and the mouse.
The frogs and the well. Two frogs lived together in a marsh.
The fawn and his father. Welcome to Dick...
A wolf had been badly wounded by dogs. He lay sick and maimed in his lair. He felt